everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to use Stockfish on chess.com in mobile. Open the chess.com app. You can use the Stockfish to review your game. In the home interface, scroll down. Find the section for game history. Tap on the game that you would like to review using the Stockfish. You'll be able to see that game over here. Tap on the option Game Review that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to review your game. You can see your scores over here. You can tap on the option Start Review. Now the AI will walk you through all of your moves. You can also tap on the magnifying glass that you can see at top. Once you do that, you'll be able to analyze the game. So like this, you'll be able to use Stockfish on chess.com in mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.